In this video, I'm going to show you how to add isometric dimensions in AutoCAD. When working with isometric drawings, standard dimensions may not align correctly with the isometric angles, making the drawing harder to read. To fix this, start by creating your dimension as usual, and then select the dimension you want to adjust. Next, type DIMEDIT in the command line and press Enter. When prompted, choose the Oblique option. Select the dimension, and then enter the appropriate oblique angle that matches the isometric plane of your drawing. This will rotate the dimension lines and text so they align properly with the isometric view. Repeat the process for other dimensions as needed to maintain consistency throughout the drawing. Properly aligned isometric dimensions improve readability and give your drawings a more professional appearance. Thanks for watching, and happy drafting in AutoCAD.